Hello mga kaibigan, kagabi pa lang ay talagang bida na ito si Maymay. Ang sabi, look, pamilya performer Maymay Entrata graces the white carpet at tonight's Star Magic Christmas Special. Hindi yan nagtapos dyan kasi syempre ibinida din ito ng ABS-CBN Special. Sabi niya, Amakabogera, Maymay is fierce at this Star Magical Christmas Celebration, Star Magic 30. Ayan po. Aside from that, binida din siya ng showbiz nest lifestyle. Ang sabi, nag-iisa kang kabugera, Maymay Entrata. At i-finiture nito ang mga photos ng nag-iisang Amakabogera Queen, Maymay Entrata. Sabi din ni Kapamilya Online website, Amakabogera Maymay Entrata is fierce at the Star Magical Christmas Celebration. Ayan. Ayan po ang mga talagang bidang-bidang feature ng mga website kagabi. Ayan po. So yes, congratulations Maymay. Hindi nagtapos dyan. Kasi po sa pep.ph ay talagang pinangalanan itong si Maymay Entrata na talagang Kabogera Queen. Pagkatapos nitong nakuha ang 1 million views sa kanilang TikTok video na kinuha ang pagrampa ng isang Meridale Maymay Entrata. Para makita nyo po yan, narito po ang rampang Meridale sa pep TikTok video. Ako. Sexy ng hip bone Maymay. Diba? Gandang Meridale Maymay Entrata mga kaibigan sa pep.ph. So yan po ang bitbit na ganda ni Maymay Entrata na talagang head turner kung head turner, o diba? Masaya po ang mga followers ni Maymay Entrata after makita talaga ang kagandahang bitbit, at nagpapasalamat sila sa glam team na talagang serve kung sabi ni Lisa Kamantique ang pagkagawa kay Maymay, at ang pagkagawa ng kanyang makeup at ang pagsuot ng kanyang damit ay talagang inirampa ni Maymay ng todong-todo, kung kaya talaga head turner ka Meridale. Kaya tinawag ka nilang fierce sa gabing yaon mga kaibigan. And Maymay is so endearing and I love it. Show them babe. Yan ang sabi ng isang taga-suporta ni Maymay Entrata. Talagang Maymay, kagabi pa lang ay inantay na nila yung talagang best dressed award, pero hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa makita-kita. Sabi ni Mr. Razon, masaya siya na nakita niyang nagkaroon ng photo and moment si Catherine Bernardo and Maymay Entrata. And thank you for the share ng photo na yan ng mga nandoon sa, of course, Star Magic Christmas Special mga kaibigan. So yes mga kaibigan, yan ang pinaka-latest update natin about Meridale Maymay Entrata, na talagang nanggigigil ang mga followers niya sa haba ng legs at sa kaseksihan, at sa hip bone Maymay talagang sila lang daw natakot baka mahulog yung tabing, at nako, kita na lahat syempre. Ayan po. At hindi pinagpapahuli ang mga flyers kasi talagang ibinida rin talaga nila ang paggawa ng Maymay at saka ni Edward John Barber sa white carpet. Ayaw nilang mahuli at talagang ibinida nila si Edward and Maymay together in one video clip. Yan po ang pagmamahal nila na talagang hindi mabayaran ng kahit anong dolyar dahilan sa love na love nila ang dalawang yan. And so yes, yan po ang ating update. Talagang we are waiting until now kung sino ba talaga ang best dressed sa gabing yun according sa Star Magic. Kasi si Pep PH ay nagpalabas na, si Metro.style ay nagpalabas na kanilang best dress sa nangyaring event, pero hindi pa natin nakita yung best dress na galing talaga sa Star Magic family. Alexander Lexter Jules. For me, best dress wear sa Janela Salvador, Maymay Antrata, Katie Lex, Kathniel. Yan po ang mga best dressed ko kagabi. And Ronnie Alonte and Loisa Andalio, Loini. And then of course Katie Lex and Barbie Imperial. Maganda din ang damit. Alexander Lexter Jules, I'll see you for more later dito lang sa aking channel para sa more update sa nangyaring event ng Star Magic Philippines.
Slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't